Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the leaf icon with the watch next to it. This is the power saving mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon, then tap on the switch next to power saving and tap on the check mark to confirm and enable the mode. And that's how the power saving mode looks like. You have access to the battery level, time and date, and that's about it. And to disable the mode, simply press the home button to wake up the screen, then press and hold the home button until you see the normal watch face, like this. And that's how you disable the power saving mode. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.